one of the ways to articulate the challenge of this work is the possibility of how can I be full, whole, authentic, open-hearted, moment by moment. And when I am in relationship, my interior world in relationship to the exterior world, I want to remember and make a conscious choice. I see that what I'm facing is my conditioning. And the way I see my conditioning is this, or my experience is we perceive a life event moment by moment. Then I translate this experience of this event by reframing it according to my conditioning and my life experience. So unless I catch myself, unless I'm aware that my reaction is part of a conditioned pattern, then I'm not going to be able to bring full awareness to it. Everything in my experience, the cumulative experiences are present in my system, and they're activated by the current life experience. When I experience this patterns, it acts as a filter, an interpretive filter, a medium through which I receive, I interpret, and act on this. So to the degree that I'm in distress, overwhelm, disconnected, in judgment, to that degree, I experience it as I'm resisting. Now, I want to say something that as I'm saying this, it doesn't mean that resistance is bad. It doesn't mean that I shouldn't be resisting. It means that this is a signal from my being, the resistance, the reactive part of my conditioning, perhaps coming from something I've learned, perhaps coming from what I'm familiar with a known, perhaps coming from my own individual trauma and pain that I've lived in my life, perhaps coming from my individual sensing of a collective trauma that's going on in the field of all humanity. Whatever it is, whenever I experience in a life experience this reactive pattern of conditioning, that is, I see that, and I want to see that as an invitation. There's nothing wrong. There's nothing wrong. This is not a problem. When I see it this way, I see it as a possibility. That life, when I see it from this viewpoint, is always an opportunity for wholeness. Now, can I navigate this experience in and through the body to restore my wholeness?